Hello everyone, welcome to Personal Finance with Darcy. I am so excited to have you here with me today. I'm a 24-year-old trying to figure out life and to build wealth in the process, and I hope to put some money in your pockets as well. So today I'm going to talk about options. Why did I choose to focus on options? And so yes, I do have long-term investments. I focus mainly on ETFs as my long-term investments, but as it relates to day trading, as it relates to swing trading, my bread, my butter, my income will be coming from trading options. And so you might be like, what are options? Why are you trading options, Darcy? Tell me more. Please don't forget to like and subscribe below. So options, it is a contract that allows you to have 100 shares of an underlying asset. It allows you to control those shares. Control, not own, for a certain amount of time. Owning them would be buying them straight up, straight out, buying them. But you have the ability to control them. So that means that you are the current owner for a certain amount of time of those underlying assets. And that's options right there. So it gives you the ability to control for a short amount of time some assets or some stocks, okay? So, which is great, exciting. Okay, now that we have the definition of options out of the way, why do I love options? So I'm new to the whole stock market world, and the reason why I love options is because it's probabilities, because it allows you to make controlled, and I say controlled bets that the market will either go up or down, and you can make a lot of money off of that, right? So you got probabilities, you have leverage, and you have the ability and the flexibility to switch up your strategy and still make money, you know? So I love the fact that options can give me the money I want. So if you look right here, it says I'm up $299 on my account, and then you're gonna see how much I deposited. So I deposited $250 towards the end of December of 2020, I believe. And I am up 299%. Yes, you heard me, 299%. And I am just getting started. And so with options, literally with options, you can do a narrowed down strategy where you make small position sizes, where you choose one asset, one stock, one ETF to focus on, and you're able to have huge gains. And if you make the wrong move, let's say you buy the wrong option, you can buy another option to counteract what you previously had done and still be up as a gain. Literally, you can't go wrong with options, in my opinion. This is all my personal opinion, but literally I have bought options that were against the direction that the stock price went. And then literally I was able to counteract buying that option by buying another option, and I was up on my money. There's literally, like, if a stock tanks, it's gonna tank, and you're gonna have to hope that it goes up. But with options, you can make money whether it tanks or whether it goes up. Whether you bought an option thinking it was gonna tank, if it goes up, you can buy another option to counteract your losses from it going up instead of down, which was your initial thought. There is nothing out there, in my opinion, that gives you the leverage, that gives you the ability to multiply your money, and is relatively safe if you know what you're doing. All of it is about knowledge, and literally I can make the amount of money that I want to make with options while having minimal risk, because I'm looking at probabilities. Because if I see the market going against my initial position, my initial thought, then I'm going to do another action to counteract that loss and reduce it as much as possible, and even be at a gain, which is what I have done multiple times. So options, by large, by far, is my bread and my butter. I really feel like with options, literally, I see in sight that a millionaire potential is there with options. I just have to decide whether I want to focus solely on that or some other avenues of income that I want to pursue. Again, I'm 24 trying to figure it out, but I know that there is so much to do with options, so much ability, so much freedom, so much choice, and so much that you can earn with options. And so I'm so excited to share with you all. I have my 40x challenge video here or here, and definitely just stay up to date, because I'm going to be sharing content about options, about investing, and just about what overall inspires me. But I did want to talk today about just options, what you can do with it. And I just wanted to share just a little taste of just all that options can give you. And I cannot wait to see you next time on Personal Finance with Darcy. I hope you stay building, and I cannot wait to see you next time.